Good morning. It is Monday, June 14th at 6 a.m. I am just outside the deli that I camped behind last night. I was camping behind there. Um, I slept really good. I'm all packed up, ready to go, but there's a lot of thunder. I'm afraid. Well, I have a half a mile road walk. Hopefully, I'll get in the woods before it starts pouring. I think once again, regretted that I sent my rain jacket home. Wish me luck. Well, as I was about to leave, it starts pouring and thunderstorm started. So the store owner, Jim, the store owner of the Mountaintop Deli, allowed me to sit here drinking coffee, and then he's gonna make me an egg sandwich. How nice! Give me a chair. My bag is there and everything. Well, as I was sitting there, Jim brought me a chair. The owner of Mountaintop Deli uh, said, "Wait here inside the store, and then you want some coffee? You want some sandwich?" And I was hungry, so I said yes. And then after after I ate everything, I was ready to leave and I was ready to pay. He said, "Good luck." He didn't want to. He didn't want me to pay. Oh my God! I said, "Jim, I insist." And he was just talking about how business is still not as it used to be. So I feel bad. I want to pay, but he insisted for me not to pay. So thank you so much, Jim. I took our picture too, so I'll show it after this clip. Well, it stopped raining for a little bit, so I started walking from the store, from the deli, back to the trail is half a mile, and then it started raining again. I really need to get my rain jacket back. It's cold. So I'm under this um, trail information thing, and then I'm just gonna wait it out for a few minutes. It's thunder now. It's gonna be like this all day. Well, I've been hanging out at this shelter after walking 4 miles from the deli where I camped this morning. This is Morgan Stewart's shelter. 1441, mile 1441. I think I'm ready to go again. I'm a little cold, but I'm sure as soon as I start walking, it'll be okay. All right, let's go. So it's 11:30, and I've been going really slow because it's slick from the shower and the rain. Like this. Oh my God, that rock is so slippery. That could end my hike if I'm not careful. So I take time looking for alternate route. Stepping on leaves is better than rocks. Like, I don't know how to do this. Maybe I go this way, or I can jump over there. Okay. Like my mom said in Indonesian, biar lambat asal selamat. It's an Indonesian saying, safety first. It doesn't matter if you're slow. In the end, you're safe. Don't worry, Mammy. I'm being very safe, very careful, not careless, but careful. Oh, here's another one. Rock. I have to step on the leaf. Right here, here. I'm not sure how long I've hiked so far. Probably about 6 miles because I'm slow and I took a break at the Morgan Stewart shelter. My goal today is to stop at Tony's Deli. I think it's mile sorry, 1451.8. And I think I can camp in the backyard. Just like last night, camping at a deli. Last night was great. You guys, when you're in this area, you must stop at Mountaintop Deli. Oh, interesting. Oh, there's a boardwalk here. And look. And there's a railroad up there. I think I'm going through, past it, cross it. My English is so bad today. Every day. How long have I been in America? Since 93. 20, I can't even do math. 28 years. Look at this. And my English is still bad. Oh, cool. Must be the train to New York City. Okay. Oh, very smooth road. Very, very smooth. Where do I go? I guess there. There's another hiker there. I'm right on top of it. Don't drop your phone, sheep. My ankle is a little sore. Maybe because it's colder, or because I'm gripping too much, trying not to fall or slip in the rain. But it's not painful. Okay. This is mile 1444. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more miles to get to the deli. Between 7 or 8 miles. Check this out. I hope I don't have to climb that. I think we're going to the right. Phew! Thank goodness. Scary. Power lines. Bobo used to love walking under power lines like this because when back in March or April, it's not very grown and he can see view. Where's the trail? Oh, it's not wet, right? Can I step on? No, it's still slippery. I'm traumatized. Oh no. Where do I step? Maybe here? Hmm? Hmm? So scary. Okay. I'm at mile 1445.6. Look at this. It's so pretty. This is Nuclear Lake. Oh, nice. Very beautiful. I have a little dilemma here. Tonight, the weather forecast says that it'll be scattered shower and thunderstorm, 70% chance, starting 8 p.m. I was planning to tent at the back of Tony's Deli, but I'm afraid if it's really bad rain, I'm gonna get wet in the tent. I'm not sure, or I'll get miserable. Plus, I don't have a rain jacket. I'm prefer to have a roof, but the only shelter within reach is Telephone Pioneer Shelter, which is about 3 miles away. I don't know if it's enough mileage. We'll see. I'm gonna stop at the Telephone Pioneer Shelter and eat lunch, and I will think about it. I don't want to be miserable at night in the middle of a thunderstorm in a tent. I should get a rain jacket. Either have Ben send it back to me or get another one in Kent. This is a change of pace, a change of scenery. I like it. I hope I'm still on the AT. Also, my ankle is sore a little bit. And my Achilles and my calves are very tight. I think I'm still suffering the effect of the 18-mile walk. 18-mile day 2 days ago. Oh, I need to stretch or massage my calf. When we get to the shelter, I'll do it. Let me ask my subscriber, Tom Brown, what would you have done if you know there's a thunderstorm, 70% chance of thunderstorm and rain coming tonight? Would you walk 15 miles to camp at the deli tent, or stop at the next shelter, which is only gonna be like 11 miles total? Let me know. The trail goes around Nuclear Lake. Why is it called Nuclear Lake? Is it contaminated by something or something? Oh, I better turn this off. I'm really struggling. My Achilles tendons are really tight and they're sore. And I'm a mile away from Telephone Pioneer Shelter, but it feels like it's 10 miles. I've been counting down mileage to the shelter since 3.5 miles away. It feels like I've been walking forever, and then it's still 1 mile. Oh my God, I can't wait to stop. I'm lightheaded too. I need food. There's a lot of like orange lizards like this. They're really small and they're really passive. You like nudge them and they don't do anything. See? How cute. Looks like a toy. So dark.
Yeah. All across the board. I think I left the board.